Tired of boring, text-heavy slides that make your audience's eyes glaze over? Let's fix that. In under 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and insert pictographic illustrations in Gamma AI. By the end of this video, you'll be turning those plain pages into visually stunning slides that actually capture attention. So here's the plan. I'll walk you through every single click. We'll start by opening up your document. Then I'll show you exactly where to find the Images button, and specifically the Pictographic illustration option. From there, we'll pick a design, drop it into your slide, and tweak the size and position until it looks perfect. No fluff, just straight to the point. All right, let's get started. Open up the Gamma AI presentation you're working on. Now, look at the toolbar on the right side of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Images. Go ahead and click that. This is your gateway to adding visuals, and it's where all the magic starts. It opens up a panel with a few different options, so we're in the right place. Now, inside that Images menu, you're going to see a few choices. You've got options for photos, maybe some icons, but the one we want is called Pictographic Illustration. Click on that. This is a specific library of simple, clean illustrations that look fantastic on slides. They're not your typical boring clip art. Think of them as modern, flat-style drawings that add a professional touch without being distracting. Once you click on Pictographic Illustration, the gallery opens up. Take your time here. Scroll through the available designs. There are usually a bunch of categories, like technology, business, nature, and more. Pick one that fits the theme of your slide. For example, if you're talking about teamwork, look for illustrations of people working together. If it's about growth, find something with plants or upward arrows. The key is to match the visual with your message. So, now that you've found a design you like, it's time to bring it in. Just click on the illustration. Gamma AI will automatically insert it right into your slide, usually in the center. It might take a second to load, so just hang tight. And there it is. You've added your first pictographic illustration. Now, the illustration probably isn't the perfect size or in the exact spot you want yet, so let's adjust it. Click on the image to select it. You'll see little white handles on the corners and edges. Grab one of those corner handles and drag it to make the illustration bigger or smaller. Holding down the Shift key while you drag will keep the proportions locked, so your image doesn't get stretched out weird. Then, just click and drag the illustration to move it wherever you want on the slide. I usually put mine to one side, with text on the other side for balance. Here's where we make it look really polished. With the illustration selected, look for the formatting options that pop up. You can usually change the color to match your presentation's theme. It's a simple click to swap the fill color to something from your brand palette. Also, check the alignment. If you have text on the same slide, make sure everything lines up neatly. You can use the alignment guides that appear to snap things into place. A little attention here makes a huge difference. And that's it. You've gone from a plain, text-heavy slide to a visually engaging one, all in just a few clicks. These pictographic illustrations are a game changer. I've been using them in my own presentations for a while now, and they really do help your message stick. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Gamma AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.